Hello, this is Andrei, and today we're gonna learn how to make the US Single Crochet or UK Double Crochet stitch. To start, we're gonna insert the hook into one of the stitches. We're gonna grab the yarn and pull through. Now we should see two yarns on the hook, and then we're gonna yarn over behind and over, and we're gonna pull this yarn through both of the loops. And this is the single crochet stitch. If you want to do the single crochet increase, we are gonna do another single crochet into the same stitch. So here, where I've already done a single crochet, we are gonna insert the hook, grab the yarn and pull through, and then yarn over and pull through again. So what I did here, it was two stitches into the same stitch. So I have basically increased the number of stitches into this row by a count of 1, because we already used up one stitch, and we've created from that one stitch, we've created two stitches. So increased by 1. That's it. Thank you for watching.